Using the shake modifier. Today's video is sponsored by my six-pack. As you probably know, I very often use the shake modifier. So here is a simple explanation of how it works. You can use this modifier to any value that you want, but I will use it to the position X slider. Right-click to the value that you want to animate and select to modify it with the shake. Go to the Modifiers tab. This modifier is pretty simple actually. You have the minimum and the maximum slider, which are basically the values that you want to shake between those. The closer the minimum and the maximum values are to each other, the smaller distance you will have. If you don't like the shake pattern, you can click the reseed button a couple of times till you are satisfied with the pattern. And the last one is the smoothness slider. With this you control the speed of the shake. The higher the value, the slower the shake will be. If you bring it down, it will shake like a psychopath. If you are brave enough, you can go Inception mode. Right-click to the smoothness slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Change the source to duration, set the curve to easing, and set the in and out to expo. Check the mirror box and now you have your shake starting fast, going slow in the middle, and fast again to the end. But this was just a bonus. I hope now you'll give me all of you money. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, this was not your lucky day.